Check that the handle has enough room to move. This helps you find the right center position. Connect stainless hook ring to RV outlet. Install using the included nuts and wrench. Align the ring center and hooks tightly on top of the RV outlet lugs. Adjust the clamp arms to press the rubber gasket with just enough force. If the arms are set too short, they may apply excessive pressure and damage the RV lugs. Install using the included nuts and wrench. Just connect your RV sewer hose to the clamp connector. That's it. So simple. Our goal is to make your RV life easier and more enjoyable.
PRO-RVER